Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day. And then we increase very slowly. I wanted to say let's go. Thank you to Bookie Cuss, anybody that's part of the Let's Go crew. Thank you to Daniel, something with the G. I'm going to do your advice, Daniel. You mentioned it last time, push-up day 3 days ago. Maybe do it without the weight vest. And I did some without the weight vest. Right now, my max without the weight vest is 13 and 13, so 2 sets of 13. So let's see, can we push a new max today doing unweighted? We haven't been using the push-up as a auxiliary exercise, so maybe we can. Let's do this, guys. You ready? Right here into the shoulders. We're going to go back a little bit. We're going to tighten legs, we're going to tighten butt, we're going to tighten chest, stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know, guys, run out of zip. Let's stop at 11. If I had like a lot of zip, I would have kept pushing it. I could have maybe pushed to 13, but it would have been really pushing to make to 13. I was really running out of zip, and unless I get 13 in the first set, I don't think I'm going to set a new record day. So we're just going to stop at 11. Every once in a while that'll happen, and my next set will be bigger, but I'm fine with not hitting a new max in my unweighted push-ups. They looked good, they felt good, and I kind of ran out at the end there. Let's see how we do our next set. We're going to have a couple minutes. We'll be right back. Let's see, we might get a bigger number in the next set. 1 second, guys. All right, guys, we're back. It was Daniel Garcia. I couldn't remember the last name. So anyway, thanks for the ideas. It's always good to have ideas and comments. I like to try different stuff out. So we're trying this out. I was a little disappointed. I wanted 13 in that first set. I wanted it, guys. That's what I wanted, and I didn't get it. But that's okay. We're going to keep at it every day. And if you keep at it every day, trust me, you're going to get it. We're going to start by putting our hands under our shoulders. We're going to go back a little bit. All right, we're going to tighten legs, tighten butt, tighten chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not that great. 8. Definitely struggling here. Let's just stop. We're not trying to do our max specifically. We did 11 plus 8, so it's 19 compared to 26, so that's about 70%, so that's good. It's a good day. It's fine. We're staying under max. We're going to get to that new max soon. A little bit of exercise every day. No crash diets, no crash exercises. Keep at it, guys. If you want to keep at it every day, I always say this, so maybe I should change how I end videos. Like, why always end with the same recipe every time? I'm just telling you that if you hit the subscribe button up there, I can't stop myself, and go down and hit the bell button, you're going to get these stupid guy up there with boop, boop, boop every day with that little bell. Tell you to exercise. See you guys next time. Good luck with your daily commitments.